here we are at the ATM machine. Let's put our card in. Put in our secret number. We want to withdraw. I can't remember. I did this last week. I think I messed it up. I think you put checking account. Let's put $500 in there and see what happens. Processing. Would you like a receipt? Why not? Check that out, guys. $500 big ones. Everyone's at work right now, fighting the rat race. We just got $500 cash money. Let's try that again. I don't know if it's going to give me money again. Second time. Let's try it. Let's see if it works. It might not give me $1,000. Let's see. If it doesn't work, there's a machine right behind me we're going to go to. Uh-oh. Guess what, guys? Another $500. We can do this all day long. Here we go. $500, number 2. There's the first $500. I guess this debit card works, guys. What do you think?